Hi guys, so welcome to an update on my paint by numbers painting, which is a bird painting. I've done a bit more over the past 2 days. I have been doing some painting and I've done a bit more for you guys, which you get to see in this video. So yeah. It's coming along nicely. So yeah, once I've done some more, I'll show you guys. Yeah, and I've got my new pyjamas on as you can see. My Monsters Inc. pyjamas. I got the other day from Primark. They are Monsters Inc. You've got Sunny, yeah, and then you got Randall there at the top there, and then you've got Mike. With Mike there. So Sally, Randall, yeah. There's Randall, and then down there's Mike. So yeah. So coming up now will be. I thought I'd show you them anyway. Coming up now will be my paint, my numbers painting update. So guys, enjoy. So guys, as you can see, I've done a bit more painting. It's only a little bit more though, but still, I've been doing it over the past 2 days. So I will be doing some more in the next few days, and then give you all another update on that as well. But yeah, this is the progress so far that I have done. So hopefully, once it's all finished and looking good and that, it should look like this. I'll show you that, and that's what it should look like. Hopefully, once it's all done. But yeah, as you can see, it's coming together nicely. I've still got a lot to do, but it's coming together anyway. But this is the first update of 2025. I will be doing some more updates for you guys once I've done some more painting. Like I said, this is the first update of 2025. So yes. So guys, that was an update on my paint by numbers painting. I do hope you all enjoyed it. And I will keep you updated on it as well. Once I've done some more painting, you'll get to see that as well. So yeah. That was, like I said in the previous clip, this is the first update of 2025. So there will be more updates on this painting coming soon. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Bye for now, guys.